Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a question many of you have been asking. Can you actually make money with raiz invest? Now, before we jump in, let's rewind a bit. Maybe you've seen those commercials with the adorable squirrel burying acorns for the future. That's kind of the vibe raiz gives off, a cute and convenient way to stash away some extra cash. But is it just a digital piggy bank, or is there real potential to grow your wealth? How it works. Raiz bills itself as a micro-investing app. The idea is simple. You connect your bank account and set up automatic deposits. Raiz then uses a feature called roundups to take your everyday purchases to the nearest dollar and invest the difference. So, if you buy a coffee for $3.50, raiz rounds it up to $4 and invests those extra 50 cents. You can also set up recurring investments, meaning a fixed amount is automatically deducted from your account each week or month. Plus, you can throw in lump sums whenever you have some spare cash. Now, raiz doesn't actually pick individual stocks. Instead, they invest your money in pre-built portfolios made up of exchange-traded funds, ETFs. Think of them as baskets containing a mix of stocks, bonds, and other assets. The money-making potential. Alright, so how does this translate to making money? There are two main ways. Capital appreciation. This is the fancy term for your investments increasing in value over time. As the companies and assets within your chosen raiz portfolio perform well, the overall value of your investment grows. It's like planting those digital acorns and watching them blossom into a mighty oak, or at least a somewhat larger sapling. Dividends. Some of the companies within your ETFs might pay out dividends, which is a portion of their profits. Raiz automatically reinvests these dividends back into your portfolio, further fueling its growth, like compound interest on steroids. The reality check, fees and risk. Now, before we all get carried away with visions of early retirement fueled by raiz, there are some important things to consider. Fees. Raiz does charge fees, which can eat into your returns. These fees vary depending on the investment option you choose. It's crucial to understand the fee structure before you jump in. Market risk. Investing inherently carries risk. The stock market goes up and down, and there's always a chance your portfolio value might decrease. Don't expect guaranteed riches. Think of it as a marathon, not a sprint. Is raiz right for you? So, can you make money with raiz invest? The answer is, it depends. Here's who might benefit the most. Investing newbies. Raiz offers a user-friendly platform that makes investing accessible. It's a great way to dip your toes in the investment pool without getting overwhelmed. Long-term investors. If you're looking for a long-term approach to wealth building, raiz can be a valuable tool. The power of compound interest can work wonders over time. Disciplined savers. Raiz automatic features like roundups and recurring investments can help you develop a consistent savings habit. The bottom line. Raiz Invest isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. But it can be a helpful tool for growing your wealth over the long term, especially if you invest consistently and manage your expectations. Remember, it's about building a habit and taking advantage of the power of compound interest. Do your research, understand the fees, and be prepared for some market fluctuations. If you're comfortable with those factors, raiz invest can be a smart step towards a brighter financial future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.